Hello and welcome to Craftiosity, the subscription box of modern craft kits. I'm Moira Fuller and this month we're working with cyanotype printing. This is a wonderful early photographic process that gives you this really distinctive indigo blue prints. I hope you enjoy the tutorial.
Inside your kit you'll find safety gloves, the 2 chemicals you'll need, measuring cups, wooden stirrers, a sponge brush, glass and its backing, some leaf skeletons, a plastic tray, some cards and envelopes, string and little pegs. Cut open your bin bag to protect your table and pop on your protective gloves. Measure 25 ml of water in each of the 2 measuring cups. When you're working with the solution, be careful not to splash it onto your clothes. Pour 1 test tube with 5 grams of the ferric ammonium citrate into 1 cup. Then pour the other test tube with 2.5 grams of potassium ferricyanide into the other. Read the safety information inside your kit or from your supplier. Use the wooden stirrers to mix the chemicals until they're fully dissolved in each cup. Pour both mixing cup solutions into your jar and stir together to make the light sensitive solution. Wherever you paint the solution onto your paper will create a light sensitive area that will eventually become indigo blue when exposed to sunlight. Place your sponge brush into the mixture and squeeze off the excess. Then paint the solution onto your cards on the right hand side of the card. Try not to get any pools of solution on the paper as this can cause blotches on your final print. Let the papers dry in a fully dark room or cupboard. Wrap your papers or cards inside a bin bag and keep them in a dark place until you're ready to expose them. Don't leave it longer than a week or so or they can become difficult to wash out. If you've bought our kit, it includes some leaf skeletons to start your collection of objects to print. But if you haven't, or if you'd like to try other objects with interesting silhouettes, collect them together. To create a print, place the glass backing, then your card, then your objects, and finally your glass. The edges of the glass are very sharp, so please be careful when handling it. If your object is pressed down onto the paper, you'll get sharper lines. If it comes away a little, you'll see a fuzziness where the light gets in underneath. Expose your print outside in direct sunlight. After somewhere between 5 minutes on a really bright sunny day in the UK and half an hour if it's overcast skies in the UK, the yellow area will have exposed and darkened to a dark blue, almost washed out grey colour. In winter, the exposure time may take longer. Fill a tray with about 1.5 centimetres of water and wash the print face down in the tray. Agitate the print by tipping the water back and forth gently in the tray until the water turns yellow. Refresh the water and repeat 3 to 4 times until it's completely clear. Shake the drips of water from your paper and dry between 2 sheets of kitchen roll. Then create a line with string and pegs and hang each print up to dry. Once dry, place your cards or print under a pile of heavy books to flatten them back out. Here's a comparison of 2 prints. The one on the left was 15 minutes in overcast early morning light and the one on the right was 5 minutes in bright overhead sunshine. Well done, your cyanotype print is complete. And now just a quick note on fabric. Cyanotypes work best on 100% cotton or silk, so 100% natural fabrics. Saturate the fabric with a light sensitive solution and then follow the rest of the steps as you did with the paper.
Thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed the tutorial. If you did, subscribe to our channel or subscribe to our newsletter. And if you'd like the full step-by-step PDF of these instructions, you'll find the link to our Etsy shop just below. Thanks for watching. Bye.